Okay, so I think I'm the first person to talk about this thing online. This is the Elite 1000 plug and play. I found this on a flea market for very cheap, and I did not exactly know what this is, but one thing's for sure, it's a knockoff of a PS2 third-party controller. But this thing is weird because there's no information about this online, anywhere. Nothing on the Internet Archive, nothing on fandom, nothing. You can't find any information about this thing. But that's why I'm making this quick video. And by the way, this is not the 200 subscriber special, this is just a video in between. The Switch also isn't standard. I accidentally glued the original one shut, so I needed to replace it with this Switch, which evolved into this Switch, which does the exact same thing. And, oh god, it's gonna be annoying. Guess I'm gonna need to put an epilepsy warning at the beginning. But yeah, it's a 90-in-1, and if I were to increase the music, it gets annoying music track. The music sounds like something that Hummer Team Technology made, or Hummer Chiang. And yeah, there actually are 90 games, but only 3 of which are actually noteworthy, to be honest. Here's the entire game list, I suppose. So let's start off with one, which is going to be Gabbit. You know, this is an NTSC ROM, so it's going to run slow on a PAL system. Oh my god. Playing one-handed is really difficult, isn't it? But yeah, this is a ROM hack, apparently. Well, not really well-known one, but known nevertheless. Another thing to quickly note here is that this thing has a select button. Now, a plug and play having a select button actually presents a bit of a problem. If we go to a game like, for example, we go to Super Mario Brothers, right? We press select and then press start. And then we, for example, die. Right, like that. Stop flickering. Stop. Okay, never mind. Yeah, you see the problem because now I can't do anything but wait for Luigi to die and then it being my turn. I think that's gonna be good enough. Nope, never mind. So yeah, so Gabbit is a noteworthy game. Another game that's noteworthy is... well, actually there's 4 noteworthy games in that case. Tetromino. You can see what it says there. Made by this person. Damien Yerrick. In 2003 apparently. I have no idea where this ROM originated from. And I want to know if this person is still alive so they know, hey, your work has been put on a shoddy bootleg plug and play which plays, well, stolen NES ROMs. Pushing start actually presents the most horrible version of Tetris that I've ever played in my life, let me be brutally honest. And here's the game over screen, just quickly. Yeah, that's the game over screen. And the annoying thing is this annoying hum. You can hear it. So yeah, that's pretty annoying. And the other noteworthy game on this, I actually need to find because I'm not sure which one it was. Oh yeah, we also got this weird version of Donkey Kong. Whatever the fuck that's supposed to be. Like, robot ape thing. Don't know. I'm just gonna cut the video here just to find it. Well, I couldn't find the game, but here's a screenshot of it. It's just Bomberman, but with the Bubble Bobble sprites. For some reason, I don't understand what the thought process behind that was. And also, while I'm at it, I'm gonna give a quick demo of the entire music track, just so you can hear what it actually sounds complete.